you are.
I guess I'll go make up the slot ball.
I can do it. You can hang out.
It doesn't matter. You can hang out. I hang out down here all the time.
I know, but you also have to make the slot all the time.
Well, it doesn't matter.
He is a character.
Yeah, I know. He's got a lot of personality.
Yes.
Are you going to be a knucklehead?
Yes. Yes,
I already have a knucklehead.
You do.
So you don't need Bruiser. Well, you
Although
may
he's
want
But
him,
I
but
like personality.
I know. That's the thing. Is he's so doggone cute.
Well, it might be good for Lynn if it's going to be big.
Bruiser.
Oh.
She started talking about that one.
Duke's so laid back, though.
Mm.
Is that going to be too much for us?
I don't know.
I think Duke will like it.
Yeah, Duke will finally get into something.
Duke does go crazy when Malibu comes in, and they play and run and
Duke,
chase each other. It's like hide and seek.
Bruiser. It's not the right thing to chew on.